Looking for the perfect iPhone this Christmas? Kanang sleek, powerful, o pang long term. Maybe you're asking, kung nga iPhone ang swap para nakakaroon? Pero kasagaran problema, lisod ni budget. Sahay, magdudata, legit ba o original, ang unit nga itong ipalit. Kung ang imong phone karon, hinay na, dali malubat, o outdated ang camera, lisod yun mag-enjoy sa latest features. Pero ang truth, iPhones are proven kayo. Smooth sa daily tasks, fast sa gaming, kung grabe kanindot ang camera. Here we have the iPhone 15. Durable, ultra-clear camera, and fast performance. And here we have the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus. Fast kusog, better battery, or perfect for content creation. And we have our latest lineup here in the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone Air. Latest flagship, ultra-clear camera, long-lasting battery of next-level performance. Good news, kay diri sa Junrex, trusted, and Apple authorized store. Gusto ka makabarato? Mudawat o diri og trade-in. Pwede nimo i-trade ang imong old phone para mas maubos pa ang imong bayranan. Flexible installment via home credit and credit card. Sa yun abot ang 13 month, sakto kaayo kay here in Dreamworks, we give discounts for cash payments. 100% legit, brand new, open line iPhones. So, if your goal this Christmas is to upgrade, surprise someone special, or start a content creation, iPhone is always the best choice. Smooth, stylish, ug pang-birthday gyud. So unsa pa inyong gihulat? Get your iPhones now at Junrex, your trusted Apple authorized store. Kung namin mga punta na, please message us so we can assist you or visit us at any Junrex branches.